Dear students, let's start with the chapter of geography. Before starting the chapter, I would ask you, what is geography? Geography is the study of physical features of Earth and its atmosphere and of human activities. So, our next chapter is Resources of India, in which we are going to see agricultural crops, minerals, and power resources. First, we are going to start with agricultural crops. Agricultural क्या होता है? As we all know, it is खेती. India is a agricultural country. What all comes under agriculture? Forest, fisheries, animal rearing, dairying, and even mining also comes under agriculture. Means these all are parts of agriculture. Forest, we all know what it is. Fisheries means fishing. The people who do fishing and they earn from it. Animal rearing means animals से related जो farmings होती हैं. Dairying, the milk production, and mining means the industries who are doing the work of mine. मतलब अलग अलग खदानों में से खुदाई जो करते हैं. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so there are few percentage that we should keep in mind. 11% of cultivated area is there in the world. मतलब अगर पूरा वर्ल्ड 100% एरिया कवर कर रहा है तो उसमें से 11% एरिया है कल्टिवेटेड एरिया. नाउ लेट्स कम ऑन इंडिया. इंडिया हैज़ 51% एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड. इंडिया में 51% की एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड है एंड 58.2% लेबर्स ऑफ इंडिया आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन agriculture. 58.2% are dependent on agriculture. And we should also remember that gross domestic product in it 51% agricultural is contributed. Is it clear to everyone? You should remember these percentages. Okay, our next point is role of agriculture in Indian economy. Means what agriculture is contributing in Indian economy. First point is 17% of world population survive on Indian agriculture. Means total world population जो है उसका 17% सर्वाइव करता है इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर पर. लेबर पावर ऑफ द कंट्री engaged in एग्रीकल्चर. जो लेबर पावर है, जो वर्कर्स हैं, जो खुद अपनी मेहनत से काम करते हैं, दैट आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन एग्रीकल्चर. नेक्स्ट इज एग्रीकल्चर गिव्स रॉ मटेरियल फॉर स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज, लेदर इंडस्ट्रीज. एग्रीकल्चर गिव्स एम्प्लॉयमेंट इनडायरेक्टली टू पीपल. एग्रीकल्चर क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? रॉ मटेरियल्स प्रोवाइड करता है टू स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. जो इंडस्ट्री लार्ज स्केल पे वर्क नहीं कर रही, उनका छोटा प्रोडक्शन है, दे आर वर्किंग इन देयर ओन एरिया, उनके लिए दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग रॉ मटेरियल्स एंड इट इज़ गिविंग indirectly employment to many people. Agriculture is giving employment to many people. There is one quotation given by Mahatma Gandhi. Life depends on agriculture. Where agriculture is not beneficial, life itself could not be beneficial. It means जिस प्लेस पर एग्रीकल्चर है, जहाँ जिस एरिया में एग्रीकल्चर परफॉर्म हो रहा है, वहाँ पर लाइफ भी सक्सेस रहेगी. बट अगर किसी एरिया में एग्रीकल्चर प्रॉपर्ली परफॉर्म नहीं हो रहा है तो वहाँ पर लाइफ भी सक्सेस नहीं रहेगी. मीन्स अ लाइफ completely depends on agriculture. Our next topic is distribution of crop in India. Distribution of crop is done in two parts. First, according to season. Second, according to study. First, we are going to see details of according to season. According to season is divided in three parts: Kharif crops, Rabi crops, and Zaid crops. Kharif crops are shown in June and July, and they are cultivated in October and November. Example are rice, bajra, jowar, cotton, sugarcane, groundnut, and soybean. Next crop is Rabi crops, which are shown in October and November and cultivated in March, April. Example or the crops come under Rabi crops are wheat, gram, barley, and tobacco. Next type of crop is Zaid crops, in which summer season vegetables come and green fodder crops are included. Now we are going to see the distribution of crop in the second type, which is according to study. According to study के अंदर crops are divided into two types: food crops and cash and commercial crops. Food crops are rice, wheat, bajra, jowar, pulses, etc. means those we are consuming as a food, जिन्हें अपन एज अ फूड कंज्यूम करते हैं, वो आते हैं फूड क्रॉप्स के अंडर. एंड कैश एंड कमर्शियल क्रॉप्स आर द क्रॉप्स थ्रू विच अ पर्सन अर्न्स. जो इंसान खरीदता है पर वो कई बार उन्हें कमाने के लिए खरीदता है, खुद के कंज्यूम करने के लिए ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो खरीदे. दोज आर कॉटन, जूट, सोयाबीन, रबर, शुगरकेन, टी, टोबैको, एक्सेट्रा. We should remember one point, that is, in India, in 1 year, we grow 3 types of crops. That is Kharif crops, Rabi crops, and Zaid crops. Students, you have to remember distribution of crops very well, because this is important according to exam point of view. Now let us see position of India in crops. First, wheat. Wheat is ranked second in the world and it is grown in Uttar Pradesh. India में जो state जहाँ wheat grow होता है maximum is Uttar Pradesh. Next is rice and it is also second position in the world and it is grown in West Bengal. Third, jowar. It is first position and it is grown in Maharashtra. Fourth is maize and it is on 6th position and it is also grown in Uttar Pradesh. Next is cotton. It is on second position and it is grown in Maharashtra. Next is jute. It is on first position and it is grown in West Bengal. Next, sugarcane. It is on second position and it is grown in Uttar Pradesh. Eighth is tea and it is on second position and it is grown in Assam. Last is soyabean. It is on fifth position and it is grown in Madhya Pradesh. I hope this chart is quite clear to you. It's simple to understand and learn. Our next topic is revolutions. The types of revolutions that took under agriculture. What is revolution? That is some changes which are related to agriculture. Some changes which are related to agriculture. First type of revolution is green revolution. Green revolution is rapid increase in agricultural production in which a new process was adopted of farming. It was done in 1966 to 1967. What all comes under green revolution? क्या क्या चीज़ें include हुई थी green revolution के अंदर? Those were use of high yielding variety seed, use of chemical fertilizers, use of pesticides, extension of agriculture machinery, tools and implements. It means these all were the points which were adopted, which were changed in Green Revolution. The area in which this revolution was held was Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh. Now we should also know that why this Green Revolution was held. This was held because the crops were going down. The quality of crop and the growth of crop was decreasing. That's why the rapid change was made in agricultural production, which was done in Green Revolution. Okay, next topic is White Revolution. White Revolution is increments in milk production under development program. In White Revolution, milk production was to be developed. It is also known as Operation Flood. You should remember that White Revolution is also known as Operation Flood. This question can be asked in exams. This mission was started from Khira district of Gujarat. Next revolution is Yellow Revolution. Yellow Revolution was done for edible oils and oilseed productions. Means जो oil we used for eating and oil which is taken out from seeds, in that changes were made and which comes under Yellow Revolution. Next is Pink Revolution, in which fruits, vegetables and vitamins play an important role for resistance capacity of body. Resistance capacity means improving immunity system of the body. In Pink Revolution, fruits, vegetables and vitamins were included. Means उनको improve किया गया था, उनका production improve किया गया था. Next revolution is Blue Revolution. It is related to fish production. Means improving the production of fishes. India is third largest producer of fish, and a project was launched in 5 states with the help of World Bank for the fish production increments. मीन्स फिश के प्रोडक्शन को कैसे इंक्रीज किया जाए, कैसे फ्रूटफुल बनाया जाए, उसके लिए एक प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च किया गया था इन 5 states. I hope all the revolutions are clear to you all. In the next class, I'm going to explain you more detail about horticulture development programs and medical crops. Thank you.